Hello everybody, thanks for being with me in this lesson number 8 of the Orthodontics module. In this lesson we're going to talk a little bit more about growth and development, but this time we're gonna talk about the cranial vault and the cranial base and the maxilla and the mandible. And remember, if you see this little white tooth with a question mark next to it, that's a slide that you want to pay attention to because one or two slides might come off regarding this topic on the exam. Okay, so let's talk about the growth and development of the craniofacial complex this time. So we're gonna start talking about how the cranial base and the cranial vault develop and growth, something that definitely you should know for the exam. First of all, get familiar